Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Jazakumullah khaira for coming in the tricky weather and attending this blessed night, the first night of Ramadan. And from Luton Islamic Center, we welcome everyone, as Sheikh Abu Saib already mentioned, including the children. And we just have some guidelines and the mandatory health and safety announcements that we have to do because this is a public event. For the brothers who can see me in front, I mean, there's video links as well, but on the ground floor, if you look to your left in front and at the back on the left, these are the two fire exits. So we are not expecting any alarm or anything. It is a normal night. So if there is an alarm, we will have to evacuate. And inshallah, it has not happened, and inshallah, it will not happen. But protocol-wise, these are the two fire exits. So a quarter from there, quarter from front. And the brothers by this main doors also will exit. The brothers from the disabled and elderly section downstairs, the small room, you have two exits. Again, the door that we went through, from front, and the other one at the back through the toilet area. But bear in mind, the sisters who come from upstairs will also come through that black gate on that side. First floor, brothers, if you look at your back again, towards your left on the back, there's a metal door. Excuse me, the metal door is your fire exit. And the ones who are by the door in front, please take the stairs and come down in orderly manner when necessary. And the sisters, you have two fire exits. The one that you came through, that old school entrance, that is one. And the other one towards the back, there's a new door which has been made, which was already made from last year as well. And you will have to take the steps down by the toilets and come through the metal staircase down by the above inside at the back. These are our fire exits, and inshallah we will not have to use it. That's number one. Number two, any first aid issue, please do contact one of the volunteers. And we will request Brother Osman Mukhtar to come on the door so that everybody can see him as well. Simple instructions about the children would be they're allowed, and anybody under the age of 12 must be accompanied with a guardian, a male or a female guardian in their respective places. But if there is a single parent and have a child of opposite gender, so a sister who has a 12-year-old young boy, they can come down, pray the salah with us here, but they have to notify the volunteers so that in case a communication is needed, we can do that, and the vice versa. So if there is a brother who has a young girl and can put it to the girls section, and the volunteers needs to be notified. This is paramount from the safeguarding points of view and the safety of everyone. Sisters with small children, because everyone is welcome. The ones who are toddlers, inshallah, they will be coming as well, listening to Quran, and the sister will not lose the opportunity. We have arranged a room which is by these, the shoe racks, the first room on the right when you come out. That room is the de-escalation room per se. If there is a kid who is not used to the noise and is a bit too much and is a bit too long, the child is crying and it may be disturbing the musallin, please, sisters, cooperate with the volunteers. They will take you to that room. You can sit there, relax, and take your time, calm the child down, but no prayer in that room, because the whole musalla from the sister section is not completely full, and if it's not completely full, we can't just pray in any other room, open another room or place to continue and join the jama'ah. That would be incorrect. Please do not bring any food or drink except you bring your own bottle of water. Jazakumullah khaira. And at the end, please take your unfinished empty bottle as well. It will be easy for the logistics, inshallah. Now, lastly, the volunteers, mashallah, tabarakallah, the lead manager of a volunteer, where is Brother Osman Mukhtar? If you kindly come. Everybody already knows you upstairs in Jumu'ah time, but downstairs, so that everybody know the face as well, inshallah, if you come along by the door. They're giving their valuable time and they come actually very early. And they're trying to make this as comfortable, as safe as possible. So we want everyone's cooperation. Please treat them with respect without asking them why. This is not respectful. If they have given you a set of instruction, Jazakallahu khaira, just follow it. But why do I have to do this? Why are you asking to do this? You do not know the backdrop of the planning since evening. So please cooperate with them and be respectful to our neighbors as well. So we have car parks, Bavin, we have Memsab, well now it's going to be converted to something else. We have a carpet shop where they have deliveries at random times. So we should not expect that nobody is coming. So any dropped curb or neighbor's driveway, we should not block the way. And this is from Shatrul Iman, we do not block the path, we actually remove things from the pathway. And again, lastly, trying our best, we are including everyone inshallah, for safeguarding reasons and other issues if it arrived, any unfortunate event which might cause risk to the person himself or the Musallin, we would very politely, and it will be only the volunteers will be requesting that particular brother or sister, the individual, or even for the reason for the child, we'll have to request them to make arrangements to go and then probably attend while they will be able to only maintaining the masjid decorum, inshallah. So we hope we do not have to ask anybody to leave, inshallah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the ability to do our best and accept our Ramadan and give us salvation this Ramadan, inshallah. Jazakumullah khaira for your patience.